Here's a 2011 Chevrolet Equinox. This extraordinary crossover is loaded with standard features, including air conditioning with interior air filtration, a tire pressure monitor, dusk-sensing headlamps, one-touch power windows, remote power door locks, and a tilt and telescopic steering wheel. The cockpit of the Equinox is warm and inviting, with rich appointments, sleek high-tech instrumentation, and wonderfully comfortable seats. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.